Welcome to 𝗕𝗶𝗶 Auto Care Manufacturer. Ever wonder why we consistently deliver the best products? Here's how. At 𝗕𝗶𝗶, we use advanced machines to create top-quality coatings, window films, and paint protection films to ensuring the best results. Despite challenges, our focus on innovation drives us to deliver high-quality products. We follow strict standard operating procedures, SOP, to ensure smooth operations and reliable products. We produce large volumes monthly meeting demand with high-quality solutions for our loyal customers. We've built a stable foundation ensuring we'll be here to honor every warranty for the long term. Thank you for trusting us for a long time. We're committed to continuous improvement and delivering the quality you deserve.
Detailing your satisfaction.